When a patient types something into ChatGPT or Google Gemini, something like, hey, find me a well reviewed periodontist near me, or I was referred to this oral surgeon. What do people say about them? The AI doesn't just go make something up. It actually goes out and finds information. It scans everything available about your practice across the internet and it assembles a picture of who you are. So the question of how do you get AI to recommend you is really a question of where is the AI going to get the information? Where are the sources? And the number one source the AI pulls from when it's evaluating a specialist practice, it's your website. Your website is number one place it goes. It wants to go there first, pull information. It wants to understand who you are, what you do, how you present yourself in your community. And it builds a confident recommendation from that. But here's the catch. If your website does not load fast enough, it's not coming up quick enough, or if your schema markup is incorrect or missing, the AI search engine will actually just skip your website as a source. It wants to use it, but it can't because there's no technical foundation for it. So it's got to load quick and the schema's got to be correct and a whole host of other things. Right on top of your website being kind of the primary source is your Google business profile. When AI gets there, it's looking at a whole bunch of things. It's looking at the volume and recency of your reviews. It's looking at your photos. It's looking at your primary category, your service listings, your locations, and it's also checking to see if you've posted. You can actually post to your Google business profile. Most people don't even know that. All of that activity, everything that I just mentioned, actually feeds into the AI search engine to give it more information about who you are to potentially recommend you. After your Google business profile, AI is looking at your social media. It's looking at what people are saying about you, how often you post, are people even commenting on your posts? Then it's looking at directories like Healthgrades, WebMD to make sure that your name, address, and phone information are consistent across all of those channels. So the practices that are getting recommended by AI right now, they're not the ones who did some kind of like special AI trick. There isn't one. They're the ones who build a fast, technically sound website. They've maintained a complete and active Google business profile, and they have showed up consistently across every channel AI knows how to read. At my social practice, building that kind of comprehensive presence is exactly what we do. And we track specifically whether AI tools are recommending our clients. So there's no guessing on whether or not it's working.